Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ty. I have a unboxing video for Bookroo. It's a monthly subscription box that you can subscribe to. It has different age ranges, so 0 to 3 you can choose the board books, 2 to 7 you can pick the picture book series, or there's chapter books for years 7 to 10. So it covers all age groups up until 10 years old. It comes every month. It's owned and operated by 3 sisters, and it's a panel of families, as I understand, that pick the books out exclusively for each box. You'll always get 2 to 3 books per box, and I have a coupon code because I've partnered up with them in order for you to receive 50% off your board book or picture book first, or 40% off on the chapter books. So every month they come in a cute aqua or teal looking box like this. I've been putting Valentina with it. By the way, this is Valentina. I don't know if you've seen her yet in videos. This is my daughter. So we're gonna open them up. What also makes it fun for your kids is that every month each book comes wrapped individually in like a little set. This is so adorable. And for the mothers, we already know what books are coming into the box. It gives like a little bit of a synopsis of the book, but it makes it fun for the kids to open it up every month, especially when she gets older and we get them. I'm sure she's gonna think it's like Christmas every day, and see, she already wants the paper. But let's see if she'll unwrap it, because otherwise it'll just be me. So it'll comes with 3 books, as you can see. And look, stop it. If you don't know, I own 2 Doxies. Like, why? Why? Let's open that one first, okay? Do you want to open it? She probably doesn't understand opening, but I'll do it. Oh my god, the fact that they have Doxy paper, I like literally need to save as much of this as possible and like use it somehow for some other project, right, Mama? Gosh, they wrapped this well. Okay, so this book says I'm going to say it wrong, Pinocchle's Fruit Alphabet. So that's what the first book looks like. And oh yeah, look, it's like K for kumquat, L for lemon. Really big picture books. Now, as you can imagine, she will put this directly in her mouth, but she is kind of groovy into the books. It says art by Jessie Ford. Let me see what this little thing says. ABC, chock full of colors. Yep. Familiar with exotic fruits. The modern illustrations and style is whimsical and punchy, so you can make it a short, easy read by skipping the facts for readers. And the short attention spans. There you go. So we have a nice alphabet picture book. Then the other one, hold it, it's okay. Then the other one is, okay, No Dinos. Oh, it has like a little sleeve thing, comes up and down. Super cute. Pull here. Okay, so this one's an interactive book. This one's fun. It says all of the dinosaurs' mouths are hinged in this interactive book, teaching about dinosaurs and eating sweets. Is eating sweets bad? No, they're delicious. You just have to pay attention to how many you eat. So this one will be fun. She definitely loves, there's another series that has a bunch of flaps. I forgot what it is. But look how cute. So even for this one, you can just always pull them up and down. Oh, that'll be fun to read and for her to play along. She's almost getting really good at helping to turn the page, even though, let's be honest, she really wants to close the book most of the time. Okay, and the last book for this unboxing of the Bookroo Club. So I'll leave the information down below. Like I said, go visit Bookroo. Use my coupon code at checkout. That way you'll get your discount off your first purchase. And let me know how you like it. Leave your comments below if you actually are a member. Oh, she's digging this one. So this one says, this is the firefighter. Oh, I love. And don't get me wrong, like I have a nice library going on so far, but as mothers, ooh, what's going on with this book? Ooh, these are stuck a little. I got like a fresh book. Okay, so the pictures are really bright. Liking that. Yeah, these pages are, I got like a fresh off the press one. Look how fun. Very vibrant, primary colors. I really like that. What I was saying is that I already have like a nice library going on, but for me, I'm kind of like on rerun with these books. Like I need new stories. So I think the subscription box is like perfect to kind of get books that you already know are going to be good and worthwhile for your children, and you don't have to go to the store and pick them out. So that's really fun. All right, so these 3 books are my first experience into it. I am sort of in love with this. Leave me your thoughts down below. I'll leave my coupon code. Like I said, I'm totally blocking her, but here are the 3 books. So I'll leave other pictures and all the details down below. Maybe I'll even go through them on my Instagram feed. So if you like what you see, please follow me on my Instagram. It's at A Caffeinated Mommy as well. And I do have a corresponding blog, but I'll have a blog post about this by the end of the week probably. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. Hopefully you'll like your subscription box as well. Till next video, I'll talk to you later. Bye.